Remember
Nobody's airport Christian. Turn on Love Island. This one, super
Karen is
we actually to leave for the airport. If you found me, and also I'm bringing and then maybe snack our stuff into this. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. It's been a long time no see, but I'm so glad to be back like on your guys' screens again because I just feel like posting again. I have been going through it mentally because I'm just gonna be completely honest with you guys. If you guys are Trump supporters, you're probably not gonna like my page because ever since Trump got into office, like social media has not been fun for me. I just feel like I can't post without feeling like in the back of my head like, oh, like so many bad things are happening and I'm just posting, oh, look at me and my great life in college, even though things are eventually either gonna affect me or my family or my loved ones directly. So it's just like frustrating because social media used to be like a fun outlet to post like fun vlogs of my life, and then now it's just like I just feel like I want to be so aware and up to date on what's going on, but at the same time it makes it not fun for me to post on social media because I feel bad in a way for like showing the good parts of my life when I'm also so hyper aware that some people have it like so much worse than me. So I just want to preface this video by saying I'm so sorry for not posting, but I think from now on I'm just gonna be a little bit more real about like what I've been going through and just like my thoughts on just things going on in the world. My air conditioning is really loud, so sorry if you couldn't hear me, but yeah, moving forward hopefully we're just gonna be a little bit more open about it so that way I can post consistently and not go and like hiding in my shell for months when I'm like thinking about everything going on in the world. So I love you guys. This is not what this video is about though. This video is actually about like me coming back to YouTube and actually spending a week with my family. If you guys don't know, I am back home in Vegas. If you guys recognize this bathroom, but I'm home in Vegas and we're about to all fly to Florida for a week for my nephew Tylen's 4th birthday, and it's gonna be so much fun because my family's just getting back together and having a fun vacation. And yeah, so that's kind of why I had to get a little bit deep for a second because I know this video is about to be so much fun and like loving and just funny because I love my family and we always laugh together. But at the same time, I just want to like say really quick that I'm praying for everyone going through this, everyone that's being affected by the Trump administration right now and in the future, because eventually it's probably going to affect a lot of us. And I love you guys, and if you guys have resources or any like links or anything that I can share with my audience, please comment it down below. But otherwise I'll just put my own links that I've seen so far and ways that you can donate, ways that you can go out and protest if that's your vibe too, but just obviously be safe with that route. I don't know the right way to say it, but I just want to say it. I know it's gonna be kind of a little bit cringy say it right now, but I just have to because I literally cannot go on filming this whole week without getting it off my chest. So if that's not your vibe, feel free to unsubscribe for me and leave this channel right now because that's just my views and those are my morals. So, but anyways, if you guys are staying, welcome back to this video. This video is probably gonna be so much fun because I've never been to Disney World and I am such a Disneyland girl. Like my mom just like made it a thing for us and me and my sisters when we were kids. So super excited that like my older sister Lainey and her son Tylen are just like their family, and Tevin, they're all just bringing it. I don't know. We've gone to Disney twice. So if you guys want to see those past videos, you can, but I look completely different. So please not too much on me because I look so different and it's actually making me want to private that video, but we'll see. But if it is up, it's the past vlogs of Disneyland with my family. And if you watch those, you know, it's just so much fun. So I just thought I'd record this video again because I'm super excited. It's gonna be so much fun. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Enough talking about all these deep things. Let's just go have fun with my family and enjoy a week because even though there are tough things going on in the world right now, we still need to find little pockets of joy and be thankful for everything we do have. So that's what this video is. I hope you guys enjoy and please subscribe and yeah, comment down below what you guys want to see from me for the summer because I'm home for the summer. Then I'll be back in Hawaii in July. So yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, so now that we're in this video, before we go to Florida, I need to pack, and it's 5:56. It's 5:56 p.m. right now, and I'm about to leave for the airport at like 10. Okay, hold on, not at 10. Our flight is at 10, and knowing my family, like sometimes we leave early, sometimes we don't. So I don't really know what time we're leaving, but I need to be packed and ready. So I just want to show you guys a little bit of the things that I'm packing because you know what? Yeah, like even just recording the first 5 minutes, you guys already know I'm about to be back to YouTube because TikTok is just not a fun place for me right now, and that's okay. But I think you guys have been commenting, waiting for me to post on YouTube, and I'm like finally ready to come back because I didn't want to like do it when it didn't feel right. But honestly, now that I got off my chest, I feel like a weight has been lifted on my shoulders because I'm like, okay, like I feel like it's okay to have fun and still be aware of what's going on in the world. And I think just as I'm getting older, I'm just like finding different ways to find the balance because I either am like super emotional about something or I like am not worried about it at all. And I think I need to find the balance because when it comes to political issues, I can't just like take over my life. So oh my gosh, this whole video is not supposed to be about politics at all, but honestly it just shows like the vibe of what I've been going through because literally, anyways, besides the point, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm packing. So youth the people, first of all, so thankful to them because I just want to get into a few of their products because I don't ever share skincare product. Now I know. I think when I first got like Murad skincare, I was like super excited, and the thing with Murad is their skincare I think is super strong. So like I wouldn't recommend to use all their products at once because their products do work, but they're very strong, if that makes sense. So like their acne treatment, their acne spot treatment, This one, the wrap, this is, mine's all banged up, but their Rapid Relief Spot Treatment, if I have a pimple that I want to go away within like the week or like a couple days, this will dry it out so well. It actually works so good. So I highly recommend Murad for this product. But I will say, like their other products, I just needed to take it slow because when I got their PR package, I literally used all of them. My skin broke out, like it was bad because my skin had like wasn't used to such strong products. So I do like their brand, but I'm just saying now I take it a step back and I like to use products once at a time before I even get on my camera and start talking about a product to you guys, because I don't play about my skin and I don't want you guys to play about your skin on behalf of me talking about it. So I'm just gonna be honest right there. But as you guys know, my holy grail, obviously, these two products for my skin. I'm bringing the Bio Oil Skincare Oil. I just got the smaller size because obviously I didn't want to pay for the whole full size one, but it works so good. You can put it on your face. You can also put it on your body and stretch marks and stuff, but I just use it for my face all the time. Like after I wash my face, I put this on and then I put on a moisturizer. But I've actually been switching it up, which I know I always say, oh, I don't change it up, but that's actually not true. I just started, I use this one at night now because this is a heavy moisturizer, and I started using a Youth People moisturizer that I actually really like, so I'm using both. So they sent me this. It's the Superfood, this one, the Superfood Air Whip Moisturizer Cream. I use this one in the morning. It's perfect to go on before you put on makeup, I feel like, because this goes really, really well with my makeup and my concealers and stuff. Like it doesn't pill, if it makes sense. Like, you know when you put on products and then they just start to like not go on smoothly. So I use this in the morning, especially if I'm doing makeup, but it's just like, it keeps my skin so shiny. Like I just have it on right now. You can see my forehead's literally shiny. So really love this. I've used this for like, I'd say a week and a half now, so I'll give you guys an update later on too, but for the most part, I really, really love this product. It feels super moisturizing on my skin, but I can't let go of this product because this is so good for moisturizing my dry skin. I also have naturally dry skin after I wash my face, so hopefully that's helpful to someone. But oh god, I'm talking so much. Sorry, I'm talking so much, but this will probably just be a longer vlog because I just missed you guys, talking to you guys, and I just wanted to update you guys on my favorite things really quick before I finish packing. But also, I'm still using this Summer Fridays Jet Lag. I just use it at night now when I do my nighttime skincare because I feel like that's just better to put on heavier products at night and not like during the day, because I live in Vegas and the heat is so bad that like as soon as I step outside I look like I'm sweating because I have so much moisturizer on. So I started using this at night now. And then for my face wash, I use the Youth to the People Kale Green Tea and Spinach face wash. My sisters, obviously I'm influenced by them first before anything, and they use this. Alyssa used this, my twin sister Alyssa. Oh my gosh, I feel like my dad can hear me talking to you guys, but it's okay. So my skin, it's probably gonna be like that all week. I'm gonna have to talk to you guys in front of my family, so I need to get used to it anyways. But I use this this face wash. If you found me from my viral video of this face wash, I'm still here today talking about showing you guys how clear my skin is from using this every single day, because I got a lot of haters in that video talking about my skin was gonna break out, and it never did. So maybe that happened to you, but it did not happen to me. I highly recommend this face wash. This is my second one of it. That's probably why you're seeing it's full. My one in Hawaii that I left there is literally like right here. It's like down here. So it lasted a pretty good while, but I use it day and night. So, and then also they sent me this one just recently. So I don't want to say too much just yet because I've only used it twice, but they sent this papaya and vitamin C. They sent me this one too just recently, and this one's supposed to be like an exfoliator and a brightener, and I really love it. You're only supposed to use it 2 to 3 times a week, so that's why I haven't used it super often. I feel like I'm talking super fast. I'm sorry guys, but you're not supposed to use it more than 2 to 3 times a week. But I used it one day and my skin was just like glowing the entire day after I used it. So I actually am already in love with it, and hopefully it doesn't do me wrong. Youth to People has not done me wrong since I started using their products, because let me tell you, they're not cheap, but they definitely are worth it. So yeah, those are the main things I'm bringing with me. And then also for my hair, I just did my hair. This was like the majority of what I did today. I parted all my hair and then made it into sections, and I used this glue. Oh my gosh, I'm talking about products so much. You guys are probably just here for Disney World, but that's just me. Sometimes I talk too much, and other times in a video I don't really talk at all. But I just use this spray gel on my hair so it'll last longer. And then the products I also want to talk about that I love so much recently. Okay, if you guys know me, my curly hair has probably looked different in every single video you've seen, because I'm just like struggling to figure out what works for me, because I just like went through a lot in high school and I lost a lot of hair, and my hair's just not as thick and it's not as curly. So I'm just like trying to figure out the right formula to go with my hair right now and to make it healthy again. So Rizzo's Curls, I don't know if, I think that's the brand name. Is it? Yeah, Rizzo's Curls sent me this. It's a stronghold gel. I love it so much. It doesn't have a super strong smell to it. But yeah, I love the packaging. I love the gel. This is what my hair looks like now from it. Anyways, what am I talking about? This might just be a packing video. Wait, should I just make this into a packing video? I feel like that makes more sense. I'm talking so much and I just want you guys to get excited about the trip, but I'm just like, if I drop a video, you guys are not even gonna see it because I don't post for months at a time. So maybe I just need to do a packing video first. This is probably gonna be a packing video then. Anyways, what I'm bringing for hair is the stronghold Moho gel. I love it so much. I've used it like 3 or 4 times, so bear with me. These are fairly new products to me. And then the other one I'm using is this California Naturals leave-in conditioner. This just makes my hair so silky and soft, so it's super easy to detangle with this one. And in the shower, they also sent me their shampoo and conditioner, their anti-thinning shampoo and conditioner, which I don't know if that was targeted, if they saw how thin my hair was already, but I'm just grateful because I needed it anyway. So I'll show you actually right now. I'm gonna show you. Oh, what happened to my screen? And the packaging is so cute anyway. So these are the anti-thinning conditioner and shampoo. So I use these, but I don't know if I should fully bring these to Florida. Like, I feel like these aren't yet taken. I don't know. I feel like it's not really necessary because we're gonna be in a hotel and I usually just use the shampoo and conditioner that's in there. And then I use like post-shower, I use my own products, if that makes sense. I don't know. Maybe I'll bring the conditioner because I feel like the conditioner is definitely what I'll need the most. The shampoo, I can just use the hotel shampoo. Oh my gosh, listen to me talk. This is probably why you guys shouldn't be listening to my advice, because someone in my comments is probably gonna be like, girl, that's why your hair is thinning. But anyways, that's what these are all the hair products that I'm bringing. And also I'm bringing more of the braid gel because in case these like get messed up during day at Disney, I don't want to be like, oh my gosh, now my hair is messed up for the rest of the week. So that's what I'm bringing. Hopefully I can put this in my suitcase. I haven't decided if I need a full check bag or if I'm just gonna bring my carry-on suitcase, so we'll see. But now I'm gonna show you guys the outfits that I'm bringing. Like, my dad needs some food, so we're gonna go get some food. Wait, did you say you made food or you're going to make food? Okay. Wait, I didn't even hear you cooking. Is it imagine when Tad's older to be able to watch the video back? I have to now because I vlogged the other 2 trips that I had at Disney, so.
Yeah.
This looks really good though, thanks.
Yeah,
Dad.
it's nice.
Thank you. It only took me like 2.5 hours. It actually didn't need to take me that long, but I just like kept fixing the parts. And then I asked Alyssa to fix the part for me and then she didn't do it the way I wanted, so I have to redo it again. What time do you want to leave for the airport?
I don't start a flight.
You can eat this skin part, right?
No.
Wait, really? Are you being serious? You can't eat the skin on salmon? Well, he like scooped it out, look. Okay, look, when I come down here, there's all the skin is on the thing still. So that's what I'm wondering. Okay, it still looks good enough though. At least I'll have something to eat before we head to the airport. My camera's about to die, so I need to charge it before we head to the airport. But here's what I have. It's giving ingredient household, you guys. I have some Italian dressing on some spinach and some salmon. Honestly, I'm probably gonna get some junk food at the airport anyways, so this is good enough. Sorry if you hear my dad. Sorry about the background noise. Well, bear with me, you guys, because I'm gonna be with my family all week, and it's gonna be like this. Okay, guys, here's the update. I don't even know what time is it. It's like 6:30, 6:40. Alyssa got home, and she just reminded me kind of we don't have any time to pack, so.
It's 6:50.
It's okay, so we need to leave soon. We're gonna leave in about an hour, but we actually changed the plan. We're gonna put all of our stuff into this checked bag, and then all the stuff that I was gonna fit in here, I'm actually moving it to that suitcase because we're gonna check it anyways, so it doesn't really matter if it's small or big. So me and Alyssa are gonna both take in half, put as much stuff we can fit in there, and then the rest I'm gonna put in my backpack that I'm gonna carry as a personal item. And then you guys, I literally don't have I forgot my black mini backpack. Hey guys, I got her to post this. I know Alyssa's gonna get me to post. I'm actually doing this right now so I can edit this on the plane and hopefully get it up within the next day or 2, because if I don't, then I won't end up posting it. So anyways, for Disney, I know this is gonna make me sound so bougie and extra, but I only have this bag to bring with me because all my other purses and bags are in Hawaii and at my apartment. So I have nothing else to carry all my stuff throughout the day, and I have this big camera with me, so I need a big bag because it's gonna rain a lot in Florida, or at least that's what the weather says and everyone that I've been watching on TikTok says. So I need a bag that's big enough to hold my camera just in case it starts pouring down rain, because I'm not about to lose my camera on this trip. So I know it's so bougie, but I need to bring this bag because I need to protect my camera. And all my other bags that are like big enough to bring, they're not waterproof, if that makes sense. Like the water will seep through my purse. So that's the plan. And Alyssa's packing her stuff too. She just got back from a movie and we're gonna try and figure this out together.
And we're gonna turn on Love Island.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have Love Island on the screen. Let me know you guys' thoughts. We're on episode 6 right now. I'm not really sure about how I feel about all the characters because the people in the villa. I feel like I'm stuttering so much. Do you feel like I'm stuttering?
No, you're good.
I don't really know how I feel because every episode we change our minds, or like every episode we say one thing and at the end of the episode we're like, oh dang, like I don't know how I feel anymore. So
I'm the same way.
Literally, I just don't know how I feel. So
well, my opinion changes. So I
think Shelly's my favorite though. Ace was also my favorite, like out of the guys.
Ace was my favorite until he didn't pick.
Pick Shelly. I feel like unless
Shelly.
Yeah, like unless it's playing the long game.
Now Shelly's stuck with Austin again. At least she's not gone.
Yeah.
But, like she definitely doesn't need to be stuck with Austin.
And there's nothing wrong with Austin besides the fact that he's literally all of his reposts are so problematic on TikTok.
He
like
is a thought.
you guys.
He's either.
Oh yeah, you guys. Literally,
or
his
they
body.
all lied about their scores. Which
Yeah,
I also
in that one
know
game
that they did.
Yeah, so it's giving he's going, and also the
He's
reposts
going.
on TikTok, like
He's
absolutely problematic. So I do not wish Austin upon Shelly. So I hope Shelly finds someone better or Ace gets his act together. But those are my current thoughts about Love Island. We're gonna watch episode 7 tonight, and then we're gonna keep packing, and I'll update you guys when we're a little bit further along because we only have an hour to pack. Okay guys, it's 7:42 p.m. and we pretty much have our suitcases ready to go. We just need to zip them up. We're about to leave. We are zipping up the suitcase now.
We or me?
Here's my empty plate. Here's what she's bringing with her.
Yeah, it's not me.
She's got her little boo-boo, so if you don't know anyone who's fallen to the trend, well, here's one person right here in front of you. And okay, then this is our suitcase. We're gonna check this one, and we need to rip off all these tags because I don't even know what this is from. And then this is what I'm carrying on with me. I'm just gonna bring my wallet, my purse, this hoodie that I'm gonna wear because I hate my skin touching like the airport seats, and then all my stuff. I have to take these out when we get through security, so I'm not looking forward to that, but this will be my first time bringing like...
You gotta tell me if you think he's 50 pounds.
Oh, it looks like it. Oh wait, if you can carry it with one arm, you're good.
What's wrong?
Yeah.
Girl gotta pull out every day.
Yeah, like, it's giving overweight. It's giving overweight.
Man,
Hold on.
Sorry, Love Island. We wanted you to.
There's one thing on. Where's these from?
They're troops.
I'm ready. I'm just gonna wear it over me because it's super hot here, and I have a feeling it's gonna be super hot in Florida. Wait, how do girls do it? How do like girls wear it all cute, like over the shoulder? Like, how do they do that? Is it just like this? Oh, okay. Sorry, my adrenaline's so high because we're about to go to the airport, and I always get so much energy before the airport because I get like so scared that I'm about to leave something behind. This is what I'm bringing. Hopefully I didn't forget anything. Maybe I should bring a throw blanket, but other than that, I think I'm good to go. And hopefully we'll get to the airport safely because my dad's already pre-gaming for the airport, so we'll see how this goes. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna do a little montage at the airport or I'll do talking. I don't really know. It depends on how much footage I have left, but wish me a safe flight, you guys, because I'm with my chaotic family for the entire week. I'm trying to be that cute Pinterest girl at the airport, like, okay, I don't need to be nobody's airport crush, but please, I just want to look cute, okay? Is this the vibe? Am I giving off? I feel like I'm not. You guys help. You guys do this. And even if I feel like I'm looking aesthetic in real life, when I try and get a picture, that's just like a whole nother story. But at least my hair is done. That's all I need to worry about. I think my dad decided we're gonna drive anyways instead of Ubering. Not sure why, but let's get to the airport.
Come on, bro, taking pain is easy. You just have to imagine that every bruise is a hickey from the universe. And everyone wants to get with the universe.
Remember, I always
Okay, we made it to the airport. We have an hour to check this bag, go through security, and then get on our flights, and then maybe snacks. I don't think we'll have time for snacks, but our priority is getting on our flight. We're the last boarding group, so we should be okay. We're like boarding group C or D, I don't know. I don't know if it's a number. I don't know. All I know is we have about an hour to do all that, and I think we'll make it. It's 8:55, so I think we have enough time. We made it through. We made it, check our bag. Now we have to go up to security. We already passed the line and it's extremely long, but we have 50 minutes till they start boarding, so I think we should be okay. Alyssa's not stressed at all, but Alyssa literally is so chill at the airport, and I always get to the airport so early. If I'm taking like a solo flight, I want to be at the airport like 2.5 hours early. So they're not even stressed, but I'm stressed. Well, no, I'm relaxed. I'm chill. I'm calm. The security in question. You're telling me that's not a long line. Wait for us, guys. We're going to Shake Shack right there, as you can see, in the airport.
or like AA.
It's any other.